My name is Takashi Makino. I came from Japan. I'm my base in Japan. I'm a filmmaker. I made 25 experimental short films before and collaborated with a lot of really good musicians. But recently I play music by myself and starting my performance. Space Noise is a very flexible project for me. Sometimes collaborate with a musician, sometimes collaborate with a filmmaker. And I did Space Noise almost 20 times in Europe and Japan and North America and South America too. I found some of my old films can make a 3D image because I'm using a little bit very old style 3D how to make a 3D illusion. That name is a proofread effect, not polarizing filter, but if we just hide one eye, like a sunglass filter, my image can create a 3D illusion. And we can change the movement if we change how to use the filter. For me, normal way to creating 3D video is really fixed already, which is most pop-up or which is looks very far. But in my way, proofread effect, audience can decide how to move the image. So I hope every audience watching different image from one screen.